No outfit is complete without accessories. As the finishing touches, they should drive the outfit to the direction you want. They should be functional and they should complete your outfit. There are so many reasons why to use accessories that I have to dedicate more than one video for them. In this video, you're gonna see accessories beyond their functionality. You're gonna see how they can expand your styling horizons, how they can take you to work, dinner, or weekend, or any situation you encounter yourself in. And how they can become the focal point so you don't need to spend a lot of energy, especially when you are pressed for time or you don't feel like doing so. I'm gonna be covering bags, jewelry, sunglasses, and belts. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Silvana, personal stylist. For over 14 years, I've been styling women from all over the world. And I worked for luxury magazines for many years too. I started this channel because I noticed that many of my clients were feeling less than confident in their style. So this channel isn't about looking elegant or classic. If you are a creative, multifaceted woman and want to express that creativity and the various moods we have, then this is for you. Finding the perfect pieces that reflect who you are takes time and patience. The process involves a lot of trial and error. I set out to establish the common set of denominators for accessories. I hope you enjoy it. All your accessories should be current, modern, and well-made. If they're dated and poorly made, they can completely ruin your outfit. So I'm gonna classify them into attributes, purposes, and occasions. Starting with attributes. The quickest way to get out of a style rut is to understand what you're craving at a given time and having the accessories that will correspond to that vibe. For example, you're feeling basic and kind of flat. So it's important for you to qualify how it feels. It's not a question of overhauling or starting the outfit from scratch. Sometimes it's just a question of bringing the item that will flip the outfit on its head. So for example, the opposite of basic would be something elevated or modern or sexy. It's very individual, it's very personal. It could be as simply as adding a pearl necklace if elevated is what you're craving. If you pick one that is classic and it still feels off, choose one that has something more to it. That's beyond classic, but it's a statement piece to balance out the basic outfit. For me, there's nothing more classic than pearls, but I like it when they have something special to them. Make sure you choose a brand that prioritizes responsible farming practices to ensure the well-being of the mussels and the overall farming ecosystem. Or it could be a bag. I always prevail traditional, well-made leather, genuine leather bags, structured or not. It doesn't need to be structured. It will all depend on the mood you want to create. But I always prevail bags that have heritage to them, that are well-made and they look expensive. It's not a question of price point. It's a question of quality, the highest quality the money can buy. And you can notice when you open a bag and you see all the details. Look for strong stitching and durable materials like leather. Avoid anything that cheapens it, appears to be glued together, or has stray threads around the stitching. Look for great quality hardware. That's absolutely mandatory when it comes to choosing a great bag. A great bag should be expertly handcrafted to look as luxurious on the inside as it is on the outside. So for example, you're wearing something extremely elaborate, and because you have a depth as an individual, a brain process that looks at something that may seem obvious, but then the inquisitor in you says, but really? What if? So you go from a predictable classic bag to a black one that is more relaxed. It will just calm things down a little. That's all you need at the moment. Other times you are wearing something that's too out there, that needs a beautifully designed bag in a neutral color that oozes elegance. The elegance is the word you're looking for. You won't compete for attention. You'll just be there, enhancing the outfit without adding more to it. It feels balanced. A bag that will evoke class, timelessness, that you rely on to ground your outfits. It has some heritage to it. It's easy yet current, but inextricably you. So that when you feel like wearing something bold, you know that's the bag you want to be reaching for. I love belts for so many reasons, and not just for their main purpose of holding my pants. When I want a belt to do more than just to hold my pants, I choose one that's thick enough to show and do what's supposed to do. For example, highlight my waist and create contrast, or embellish a basic dress, for example, that I can create shape, that I can call the attention to my slimmest part, that I can embellish a simple dress. For example, this belt evokes a modern vibe, while this one is more polished, and yet this one brings a sharpness, and this other that I have for years gives me a summer vibe. It will be the item that will add polish to my holiday outfits. Sunglasses have to have the best the money can buy because they protect your eyes from the UVA and UVB sun rays. So that's primordial that you do your search and only buy genuine, authentic glasses that the protection is guaranteed. But that aside, I choose sunglasses according to my mood. And luckily I have a universal face and coloring that I can get away with many styles. That may not be your case. So if you want to dedicate a video on glasses, let me know in the comment section below. I'm happy to do one for this particular item. But when I'm in the mood for something more classic, obviously my go-to is a rectangle black sunglass. But when I want something a little bit more, I'm finding myself reaching out to this beige odd-shaped one that I find that quite a staple when I want to create some drama and I want something to enlighten a dark outfit, or I want to draw the attention to my face and deviate from other areas. When I want to create a simple outfit, plain outfit that I don't want to be putting too much effort on the outfit itself, I think this is the kind of frame that will bring that kind of modern vibe if I'm in a mood for that. When you have such a tools in our arsenal, it helps us to make quicker decisions while still being ourselves and not relying so much on external opinions or inspiration. Accessories should have purpose and dressing should be intentional, even when we're wearing a sweatsuit. And by the way, there's nothing wrong with wearing those. Of course, sunglasses supposed to protect your eyes, belts to hold your pants, a bag to carry your stuff. But accessories should go way beyond their mere functionality, which is important, by the way, don't get me wrong. But they should go beyond that. For example, a belt, besides holding your pants or skirts, is able to shape and create silhouettes. It can elongate certain parts of the body. A bag can elongate your torso or embellish a plain outfit. And sunglasses, besides protecting your eyes, they can draw the attention to your face when you want to deviate it from other areas of your body. These are just a few examples of how accessories can serve for a purpose beyond their functionality. For example, when you want to deviate the attention from a certain area, you can use a statement bag or bold color to achieve that. Certain sunglasses can lift your eyes and complement your complexion. They should follow your face size. If you have a small face, choose small frames. So if things fall over the place, which is a reality of life, these things are something that are steadfast, but they still give you the ability to be highly creative regardless of the situation you encounter yourself in. When you are experimenting with accessories, try to navigate these new looks through as many aspects of your life as possible, while still feeling fundamentally like yourself, which means you wear your pieces, regardless if on the surface it may seem nonsensical or even surprising. For example, for a work environment, the hoop earrings, a cocktail ring, the classic belt, a structured bag, all of them ground with ease any outfit you create for the office. These pieces are your closet must-haves. Mixing these elements with the statement items is how personal style, rather than outfits, are made. The situation allows me to be more frivolous, meaning you cannot wear this at the office or across 3 climates, but you love them and know where you're wearing them, and you're incredibly passionate about how you feel in them. That's good enough. But they are not must-haves. They are essential nonetheless. When you're tired of your closet, sometimes it's the vibe that's on repeat, not necessarily the items. This is the time when you feel more relaxed and chill, but you still want to look put together. For many, it's challenging. You definitely don't want to wear heels, but you don't want to look like a nanny either. A cute flip-flop sandal with a perfect pedicure can do wonders. It looks perfect from dresses to cargo pants or shorts or even sweatpants and jeans, especially if those have a little bit of refinement to them. You would normally wear it with a slouchy bag. You want more options because a slouchy bag can look a tad too laid back. But when paired with a shoulder bag, you flip the outfit on its head and bring a little bit of interest to the result. All of this is intended for you to organize your closet better and make smarter decisions when shopping, as well as getting even better at visually showcasing your personal style. Remember, visuals speaks volumes, and personal style even more so. So that was it for today, everyone. I really hope you found this informative, inspirational, and you got the concept. Please let me know in the comment section if this is something that you are keen to apply. As usual, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Have a great day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.